Hello friends, in today's video I'm gonna be walking through how to drive traffic to your Shopify store. But before getting started this video, make sure to subscribe how to 1 minute. So here I have gathered a list of 20 proven high impact tactics for driving more traffic to your online store. Navigate this guide. Run paid social media ad campaigns. You can use Facebook ads, Instagram ads, Pinterest ads, and Google ads. Engage in conversion on social media. Get friends and family to share. Practically engage on Twitter. Post your store to Reddit. Drive excitement with contests and giveaways. Offer time-sensitive discounts. Reach new audiences with influencer marketing. Send free samples to Instagram influencers. Reach out the bloggers and praise. Write a blog post featuring influencers and their advice. Attract customers with content marketing. Write blogs and provide information or solve problems. Produce podcast to reach new audiences. Use video to educate or entertain. Use SEO to increase your store's discoverability. Write titles that match search intent. Write irresistible meta descriptions. Leverage internal links. Add long tail keyword variations to your pages. Stand out with rich snippets. If you think to see more Shopify videos, please check the links in descriptions. If this video helped you, give a thumbs up and please consider subscribe how to 1 minute. Thank you for watching.